The old railway station transformed the town into a remarkable hub for transportation in the 70s. The railway station, which was a major link between Kumba and the former East Cameroon, was inaugurated in July 1969 by former head of state Amadou Ahidjo. The station influenced the massive movement of goods and persons between Kumba, Banga, and Douala. It made the economy of Kumba and its social life flourish. A trademark of social status for those who traveled, especially from Douala back to Kumba, was a very long French bread, popularly known as boulangerie. The train was a popular timekeeper for many persons. Early in the morning at departure, 11 o'clock at midday, and late in the night.